Do you know many people are having trouble with controlling and increasing the volume on their Plantronics CS510 headset? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Set phone volume. Set your desk phone's volume to mid-range. Step 2. Adjust headset settings. Look at the base's bottom panel of your headset. Ensure listening and speaking volume dials are on 3, and the configuration switch is on. Step 3. Start headset call. Remove the handset from the phone cradle. Press the headset call button while wearing it. Step 4. Dial test call. Dial a test call. If needed, refine the volume using the headset volume controls. Step 5. Check microphone position. Make sure your headset's microphone boom is properly positioned and not blocked. Step 6. Disable mute button. Check that the microphone mute button on your headset is not activated. After following these steps, you should have full control of your headset's volume and your microphone should work properly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Plantronics users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.